Hello everyone, my name is Ulfa. Today, I am going to show you how to make a food mandala using fruits. A mandala is a pattern that is symmetrical, which means the same shape repeat around in a circle. First, I have prepared my fruits. I have strawberries, kiwis, orange, and blueberries. Now, I will start from the center. First, I put the strawberry at the center. Next, I put orange in a middle like a flower. Then I arrange kiwi slices in a circle. On a circle. It's a little sticky. After that, I put the strawberries at the outside. It looks very juicy. I think that's enough. Now, I put the blueberries in. Now, my mandala is complete. You can see that it's colorful and beautiful. I enjoy making the food art. Thank you. Goodbye.